Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you are absolutely welcome. I am Debbie Somas. Thank you for tuning in. So today, this video is about styling my 4C hair, my wash and go routine. I have like a couple of videos on my channel, but this is like an updated routine because I haven't done this in a while, so I decided to update you guys on what I do differently now with my wash and go routine. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share, and please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing I do is obviously to wash my hair, and to do that I use the Cantu shea butter for natural hair. This one. It's a cleansing cream shampoo. So this is what I wash my hair with, and I also use the hydrating conditioner after that. Recently I've been using this conditioner also. It smells super nice. So these are the things I use for my wash routine. So I just rinsed off the conditioner from my hair. I didn't comb my hair to detangle it in any way because I want my hair to retain its natural curls, if that makes sense. So I don't in any way detangle with the comb. So I just apply the conditioner and wait for a while, then rinse it off, which is the stage we are at now. But my hair is like not fully like drenched with water, so I'm just going to add more water to it before going to the next step. And the next step is usually, for me, was usually to use the Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioning cream. Usually I use this to make the hair softer, but I stopped using this because it leaves like a white cast, and usually when I'm in a hurry like I am this morning, my hair doesn't get dry as fast as I want. So I wouldn't want to have the white cast on my hair from the conditioner, because usually what happens is it takes a while for the white cast to dry off from your hair. If you have time while doing this wash and go, if you have time between doing the wash and go and going out, you can actually use the leave-in conditioner. The white cast is going to eventually dry out, but because usually these days I'm rushed, I'm a bit in a hurry, so I can't wait for this to dry out, I skip this step and I just go straight to using my Eco Styling Gel on my wet, drenched hair to retain the curls and to define the curls basically. Yeah, so let's do that. So this is what my hair looks like after my wash and go. It's not fully dry, but as you can see, I don't have white cast because I didn't put the leave-in conditioner. So this is just perfect for me. My hair is still like wet, a bit wet, but I can leave the house this way. So yeah, so that is how I get my hairstyle. That is my wash and go routine. So if you guys have any questions or you want to see more of my hair videos, please do not forget to click the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to my new subscribers. Bye.